Hi everybody, I'm Renata Castro. I am an immigration attorney, founder of IIET, the Institute for Immigration Evaluation Training. If you haven't visited our website, immigrationevals, EVALS.org, and I am here to chat with you briefly about psychological evaluation. So in immigration law, a lot of times we immigration attorneys need to quantify certain hardships or certain kinds of what is the proper normal word? I'm trying. When I do these videos, I really do not want to use the legalese. So, psychological evaluations are used to show harm in certain cases. They are used to show rehabilitation in certain cases. They are used to show, so harm, we're looking at past harm and current harm or consequences of a certain action. So when we use a psychological evaluation, we are trying to quantify, we're trying to show, we're looking to show the diagnostic of something that we don't have a medical report for, or that we cannot objectively document in the case of rehabilitation. So it's very important for us when we're looking at psychological evaluations that they are as clinical and as impartial as possible. It is very important that psychological evaluations show a diagnostic and the effect of a certain life event on that individual, not necessarily regurgitate life facts. Psychological evaluations to us at times are the center pillar of our legal argument. So they are essential to the work that we do in several cases. And there are a lot of cases which I and other immigration practitioners use psychological evaluations as a central evidence to our work. Are you curious to know which kind of cases those are? My book is coming out, Psychological Evaluations for Immigration Law. It's not only for court cases, it is for every kind of immigration case. And I would love for you that you're watching this video to get a pre-sale code. Just register your email on our website, immigrationevals/video. By registering your email, you will get a pre-sale code for the launch of the book. The book was written by me with the feedback of several immigration attorneys. This is the kind of material you will get here at IIET. Materials that were designed to train you on what we immigration attorneys want to see, what we deem as adequate when we are looking at psychological evaluations. I'm sure that the feedback you will be receiving will be, practice changing in bringing passion and profit to your private practice, providing forensic psychological evaluations. I'm passionate about the subject. Immigration law is certainly something that gives me life purpose, and I know that for us immigration attorneys to do the life-changing work that we do, we need more professionals like you, psychologists, social worker, licensed mental health counselor, and even graduate students who are looking into this area of psychological evaluations for immigration cases. I see a lot of people calling these extreme hardship evaluations, and I think that that's a wrongful definition. Psychological evaluations for immigration law cases is really what you should be looking at in a broad scope and then narrowing it down. But you will get all this information here at IIET. Sign up, immigrationevals.org/video to get your pre-sale code for the book, to listen to my podcast, to listen to my guests, to other immigration attorneys, to learn more about how psychological evaluations for immigration law cases can be can make a great difference in your life, in finding your purpose, and in bringing profit and passion to your private practice.